What's up, everybody, man? It's Champ checking back in, man, for the part two. As y'all can see, I got the 93 Foxbody to the left of me. I got the 90 to the right. I'm at a crossroads. I'm having some pros and cons, man. I'm hoping my subscribers, my family and friends can help me. Comment, DM me, whatever y'all need to do to, help point me in the right direction. As y'all can see to the left, we brought the 93 from the back. Salvage title. You know what I mean? If I was to rebuild this one, I had to go back to the state, get a rebuild title, which I don't have a problem with. I didn't buy this car to sell or flip. This is a personal car I always wanted, so I'm buying it, fixing it up for me. I mean, down the line, if I ever wanted to sell it, I would. So let me know what y'all think. Would a rebuilt title affect this car if it's back running immaculate and clean? Right here, we got the 90 that I bought after this one. That's a clean title, but as y'all can see, she got a lot of rust and little small little, cracks and things that the more I get into it, the more I notice and see. So I'm at a crossroads. I don't know which one I do. I'm also considering selling everything and just paying 10 to 15,000 for a good running one, exactly what I want done, the right way. I think that'll be kind of hard because I'm already in too deep on both of these cars, so I probably wouldn't get much in the condition they're in right now. And if you are interested, definitely comment or DM me. We can work something out. But so yeah, we took the motor out of this car. I think this car only had like 88 or 90,000 miles. This one had about 120. The motor and I drove this home from the tow man, running drives. But we had the issues. Part one, y'all saw it. So now where I'm at, we cleaned the motor up. So whichever car I choose, the motor and transmission out of this one is going in it. You're trying to weigh out my options, man. That's pretty much where we at. I think today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the tires off, trying to strip this down. I got a lot of stuff in the inside and the outside of both. I'm in the trunks and stuff. I'm gonna clean them out completely and do a real assessment and figure out which car I want because I'm kind of undecisive. Y'all see I'm doing work on this one. I'm considering doing this and that on that one. So what I want to do today is come up with a final decision. I'm honestly gonna wait on y'all. I'm gonna drop the video and I'm gonna wait and give it a few days and see if I get some good feedback from you guys, and then I'm gonna make my decision. But today I'm just clean out the car, make some space, make some progress, and kind of dissect it ourselves. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me so we can see the pros and cons, and hopefully y'all can make me help my decision, man. That's where we at. Trying to get the car done. I'm ready. Some people said tubular. I thought about going tubular, but we want to keep it more original because this is not a track car. I'm not trying to drag a race. I'm going back all original motor, just replaced, original transmission. I'm not adding no cams, no nothing. We just go keep it stock. They run pretty good stock. So, and it's a manual, so we shouldn't have any issues. You know what I mean? So check out the video, like, comment, subscribe per usual, man. And y'all let me know what y'all would do. Appreciate it and peace. This is how we looking, y'all. Got this side pretty much sanded down. Got all that surface rust and everything. We're gonna come back with a primer. Now I gotta do this side. I started on a little touching up, but as you can see, I'm gonna do this side. And we're gonna go to the firewall back there next. I had to move all the wires, get them all to the middle. This side look good. I probably got a few more spots to touch up back in there. We're gonna go on this side, man, next. You see what's going on. Stay tuned. So as y'all can see in the video, that driver side apron, man, is just rusted out and bad. So what I ended up doing was finding one right here on CJ Ponies for $100. Getting ready to order that one. And since we already got a change and weld the front end, we figured we might as well just replace that, man. The other one was too rusty and was gonna take too much work. But while I'm at it, I'm also looking at some, I need to do them floors, man. So I'm also looking at them floors as well. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to order. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to order probably the panels right here like this instead of the whole floor. I think it'll be easier this way, and as you can see, the price ain't too bad. So let me see for both sides. It's $273. I know I need the passenger side, so we probably end up getting both sides, man. It's just going from there. So just keep y'all in the loop, showing y'all what's going on. What's up with y'all, man? Top of the top, man. We got a good weather day. We had some parts come in, so I figured it's a good day to come get some more work done. What we got right here, I'm gonna open up for y'all, is the apron right there. As y'all seen in the last little shot I got for y'all, I decided to just get a whole new apron right here because this side was just rusted. It was thin. It just wasn't gonna work. So that finally came in. So I was like, nice weather day. We might as well go ahead and put in some more work. Dig. Also, I'm gonna show y'all some of the grinding utensils I'm using to grind this metal down and get this paint off. So yeah, just bear with me. Voila, brand new, clean. So this is that side apron that's gonna go right over here and replace this. I believe it goes just like this, boom. So what I gotta do is drill these spot welds out like I did for the front end, front radiator support, etc. And then we're gonna weld this one on. And it literally looks, I got it the wrong way, boom. It literally looks pretty much OEM. Everything, all the holes line up, everything match up. This one just done. I was planning on painting the engine bay black anyway, so this will go good. And I mean, it's just done right, you dig? So that's good, man, that's a plus. I can continue working for y'all. Also, wanted to show y'all some of the sanding tools I purchased, you know what I'm saying? We got some of these different ones. And all these designed to scratch metal off, paint, rust, all of that, you know what I mean? So what I'm doing is using these to grind it off and see what parts of the frame is fixable and which parts I need to replace, like I did right there, Exhibit A, for why I ended up replacing it. I sanded it down, it was still rusty, it was getting thin, and I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna go with replacing it. It wasn't too bad. You seen it was $100, it wasn't too bad, so why not, right? Boom, right here, this is what we're using to drill out the spot welds. You put that onto the drill bit, drill it on down, man. So yeah, give me all an update. I'm finna get ready to get to work. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? This just wanted to show y'all how I do it. This is what I'm using to grind. I already took it out the wrapper, put it right there, drill it down like that there. Take this tool and you tighten it. You want to make sure you got it real tight. And you be good. There we go. See how that thing coming together? So what I'm doing right now, y'all, is drilling out these spot welds. See the little holes? Those are welding the metal together. I'm drilling this out so we can take and put the new one on. And then we're gonna have to re-drill the new one on in the same way. So that's what's going on right now. So now once I drill them out, I'm gonna see what I got. See how they come right up? I'm gonna drill most of these spot welds. I think there's another one right here though, because that's not coming up. So that means one right here, and then there's probably some right here on this side too I forgot about. So yep, let's get it.
Either this one.
It's probably the bottom. I probably gotta drill a few more out down that bottom line.
Up here.
I think I see where it's at. It's right in there somewhere.
Where?
Up there.
What you see? Where is it?
Right at the top, right there.
Right there.
Yep, right there.
It's right there.
Yeah. I think it just popped up. Yeah. There we go. Coming off. Coming down these spot welds right here. Probably got to drill this more.
Yeah.
I'll probably drill it all the way through.
Big rig. Get it coming off?
Yeah, it's on. We rolling.
Oh, shit.
We rolling. Right here. There it is. Good thing go. Rusty and disgusting. Same part. Finna replace the OEM, baby. Yes, sir. We got it off.
About dead on, man.
Yeah. About dead on in the middle. So we got shit. Where you got it is pretty. It's level. You know that much. What's up, y'all? Just tapping in, showing y'all a test fit, man. We put it on. We trying to see how it line up, how it's gonna be, man. And as you can see, we use some C-clamps. Nothing's welded in or nothing yet. We just, you know, doing a test fit, seeing how it line up. You seen we had it centered. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and finish grinding up in this engine bay. I'm gonna take all this stuff off, start removing all these parts, all these wires. I'm gonna grind back there, get some areas that was hard to get. I'm gonna grind all that down, get to the firewall. Then we're gonna focus on welding all this on, and then we're gonna spray it all one color, man. Start getting it cleaned up, getting it ready. You dig? Y'all stay tuned. I figure I'll put in the groundwork for y'all and show y'all the process in the middle. Just let anybody know if you got a little bit of skills, some tools, a parent that's good with tools, or if you good yourself, you can do it. That's what this is all about. Built not bought, baby. You can buy them too. I know some people that buy them. There's nothing wrong with buying them. If your money long, and that's your choice. But I'll make sure I buy some cars if they worth it. But type of cars I like, all my best cars I built. I can say that. My best and favorite cars that I have, I built myself. I did not buy running and driving. Watch the videos and you'll see what I'm talking about, people.
Yeah, you have to get a swivel and extension. It's 4 bolts. It's one right, become a top, 2 on top, and 2 on bottom.
All right.
And then there's a thing that comes through and it connects to the brake cut with that kind of clip I pulled off.
Yeah, gotta put that on.
It's a rod that pushes. It's a rod. This rod,
yeah,
pushes when you hit the brake pedal. It pushes the rod. That's it. That's
so 4 bolts on the inside to get this off.
That's it.
Pop, you can pull it off. I got 4 bolts to hit it off.
Hold this up.
Probably replace it with the other one. New one on. That's what all that inside work was about, y'all.
Rusty shit.
Yeah, rusty bad. We don't need that.
Use that.
Clean it up. Going with the trays. You think somebody buy that?
Yeah, boy. Buy it for scrap metal. They ain't gonna buy that. They gonna charge you to take it out of here.
Right. Like I said, I'll show y'all again, this is pretty ugly in there, which is causing why it's rushing on the inside, because the water's coming through there, going all through the car, which is pretty much probably the problem for why the car rusted out in the first place, because this is a Georgia title car. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't got salt, we ain't got all that, so it's been sitting and it got some rust. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show y'all the black one back there, check it out, and then we go from there, man. Appreciate it. So this is the white one. As you can see, it's way more structurally sound. This is metal, the shock towers are good. We're There's no rust right here. Right? Boom. Except for right here, which can be a major issue, but I mean, it's repairable. And then we got the floors, which is the primary to tend to. Mind you, this is water rust. This is not snow rust or anything. So that's that. The white one, I'm gonna need to change the frame, the convertible top frame off the black one as well. Now this is the black one. I ain't cleaned it up too much, but do a quick little shock towers is shot. Both of them. Salvage title. I would get under it, but I don't feel like doing it right now. The inside is a little dirty, so you can't see much. The floors are good, but on this side, the floors is tore up as well. So I think I'm gonna take a lot of these parts off this one and use it to build the white one. But like I said, let me know what y'all think. Appreciate y'all.